Today I want to talk about the things that you should know first before you try to remove your catalytic converter. This is my 2015 GSXR600, right? The things that you also need to know if you want to do that. First thing, you need to buy a mid pipe. That's a mid pipe over there. I don't know if you can see it. This is the mid pipe. Without it, your muffler gonna go all the way here. If it's a slip-on muffler, right? Because this is where you cut it. Hindi basa-basa pwedeng mag-remove ng converter. Because the reason why, once you remove your cut, right, it will sound like a broken drum. Today we're gonna ride a little bit, show you. I don't know if you will be able to hear it, but I uploaded from the past. I uploaded some videos already, and you could hear how my muffler sounds like. So mag-ride muna tayo ng konti. I don't know if you could hear it. Yeah, I almost forgot. You have to, after you remove your catalytic converter, you have to install the power commander. It's inside there. I'm gonna show it to you later. And I had to bring my bike on a technician. I highly recommended that technician. He called it small business Speed Lab here in Toronto, and he fixed my fuel system and everything, my exhaust, those system. I could show you all the pictures I have, and I'm glad I went there, but it's a little expensive. It cost me about $1,500, including the power commander itself. So power commander is about like $800 plus the labor. Cost me close to $1,500. I think it's $1,400 something. So let's go for a ride. I just want to get out of this pandemic, have some fun riding my bike, enjoy the weather, because you don't know how long this COVID-19 gonna go on. Maybe a couple of, at least one more month, or as per announcement by the government. And then after that, we don't know. Okay, I don't know where to go. Maybe I'm gonna buy some gas, fuel this up, prep this bike for tomorrow. My wife is making some siopao for my mom, so I'm gonna bring those siopao if she managed to do it tonight, but I don't think so. If not, then I'll do it next time. Oh, come on. This girl is still scared. What's wrong with her? Is she really turning right or what? I guess not. Yeah, baby. Okay, I think that's it for now. Magpapagas lang ako and then uwi na. Tinataglish ko na kasi una-una mahirap mag-English, tsaka may potential na depende sa audience since nandito ako nakatira sa North America. Kailangan mag-English. Yan. Okay, pagas muna tayo dito. Okay, as promised, I'm gonna show you where the technician installed my power commander. So you have to remove this. It's a small compartment here, and it's over there. I don't know if you guys could see it, but it's here. Power commander. I know if my commander learns about this, she's gonna nag on me again. You know, married life is tough. It's different if you're single because you can do anything you want with your money, but once you're married, that's it. Has to be a teamwork. Everything has to be discussed or not. Okay, bye.